Hello. Welcome to the podcast today. This is Ralph's Law, where justice reigns. And I hope you guys are having a great day today. Today was amazing. Downtown Sacramento. It wasn't bad. Traffic wasn't bad. The weather was fantastic too. So it wasn't crazy hot today. So I don't like the hot. Like when it gets too hot. So Sacramento was amazing. The weather was wonderful. It's an amazing day today. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. It's kind of like. Sometimes, when people get elected, when they become government officials, like they start actually forgetting how regular people look at stuff. So today, this video is all about we the people. We the people. The first three words in the Constitution, we the people. And that's what it is. Think about that. The Constitution, the first three words, we the people. It actually solidified the whole concept, like it kind of just like emphasized the whole concept that America was founded. One of our founding principles was popular sovereignty. Now, popular sovereignty means power comes from the people and then it goes up. It goes upwards, It's not, it's not how they were doing it in some of the other monarchies where, they felt like it came from some kind of deity and then it came down to the, the monarchs and then to the subjects. No. One of our founding principles in this country is popular sovereignty. This is kind of like this is a bit of you guys know me. I'm an attorney and I'm also a law professor. This is a bit of a civics lecture, for Garland, Merrick Garland. I actually made a video where I was actually asking for him to resign. But, I saw an interview that he had with Lester Holt. And, he said some stuff there that a bit heartening to me. It kind of seemed like he was talking, like he was in the right trajectory. He talked about how the DOJ was going to follow the whatever evidence that they were presented with. He said they were going to pursue the evidence without fear of favor. So that was okay. Now I'm still not impressed because like in my former video I was talking about the fact that there are people that were better suited for the job of being the AG. So I don't know. Maybe he has some plans to fix the whole situation. Garland, he should. Get with me, dude. Get with me. Get your people to contact me, and we can figure it all out. I can also give you some tips to get this whole situation under control. That's what I'm talking about. How do you control the situation? Garland, I'm not seeing that. But I saw the interview with Lester Holt, and I'm gonna just chill a little bit and see what he does. He said he's gonna follow the evidence where it leads without fear of favor. I'm kind of like paraphrasing here, but I like that. That's what you do as a prosecutor. That's how you do it. There's no like, oh no, nobody's above the law. That's how you do it. So I'm making this video for we the people. We the people require answers, and we actually want action from Garland. He should do something. Action. I don't want you just to be, saying stuff, all the politically correct stuff that you're supposed to say, whatever. I need to see actions. But that's okay, at least, when I heard, his interview, I felt that he was at least thinking, let's just say his mind, he was in the right trajectory. So that's fine. That's okay by me. He should get his people to get with me, and we can figure something out, okay? Ralph's Law, where justice reigns. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Leave us a comment. Smash the like button for us. You have to do this stuff because, I'm telling you, the kind of content that we're trying to bring for you guys, very different. Very different. Of course, these are still things that are happening all over the country. But the way that we're trying to present it, we want to make it. We want to make it digestible. Yeah, that's the word, digestible. Oh, we also want to make it fun. We have fun over here. Okay, yeah, whatever. Yeah. Sometimes I hang out with my daughter and stuff, but we want to make it fun, we want to make it informative, and we want you to act. That's the whole thing. So, Garland, get with me, do something, let's fix this whole situation. I am actually talking about, I'm actually making this video for we the people. The first 3 words in the Constitution, we the people. America is based on popular sovereignty. That's one of the founding principles. Popular sovereignty means that power comes from the people, and then it goes up. It goes up. It goes up. It's not something that comes from above and like trickles down to the subjects. Sometimes people like that, some of this, you actually have to give them this kind of lectures. It's kind of like a reminder. You just let them know, hey, this is what's happening because this is what you're not doing. So it's different. Very necessary. And that's what I'm trying to say. Power goes up from the people up. If you're a government official, if you're a governor, whatever, president or whatever, we the people, we put you there to represent us. Popular sovereignty. It's from the bottom up. And that's the thing. So, I don't want this to seem like some kind of civic lesson, Garland is, he's a brilliant attorney. He worked as he's been a judge, all that stuff, whatever. But I don't know, you have to remind people about the stuff sometimes. So that's what I'm trying to remind him. I don't know. Civics, I don't know when he took the class. Was he not paying attention during the class? I don't know. He doesn't look like, he looks like the kind of person that will pay attention in the class. Those guys, he's amazing. He's freaking brilliant. Just like top of his class all the time. So I want to believe that Garland took the necessary classes when it comes to civics. Hey, what I'm trying to say, Garland, is Think about the classes that you probably had an A in, because I mean the guy is just crazy, crazy smart. Think about those classes. Think about the fundamentals of those classes, and think about the rationale behind all the stuff that they talked about. Civics, America, we the people, we want answers. We don't want platitudes. That's it. We do not want platitudes. We the people, popular sovereignty. That's who I'm talking about today. That's why I'm making this video today. The American people. We are not gonna be patient. Okay? Too much, it's just too much latitude given to you, and things are not happening. I need stuff to start happening. Otherwise, do what I said in the last video. Resign. Yeah, you can resign, and just as I said in the last video, give me Adam Schiff, give me Jamie Raskin, give me Liz Cheney. These are people that actually understand what's at stake here, and let's get this country amazing again. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that here for now. So also, another thing that I wanted to talk about today is Ginny Thomas. That's Virginia Thomas. That's the wife of Clarence Thomas. You know, a lot of information came out that she's been having all kinds of shenanigans going on. She's been making a whole lot of, just, I guess I would say, mildly inappropriate moves. Clarence, why are you not handling business? That's what I'm saying, Clarence, what's happening, bro? That's all I'm saying, I mean, Clarence Thomas, he's amazing, Yale Law School grad, did all the stuff, became a Supreme Court justice, and then you have somebody actually literally trying to put you in some kind of ridiculous situation. Handle business, It doesn't even matter if Clarence. That's what I was saying in the other video that I had. I don't hear about the spouses of maybe Elena Kagan or every other person. All the other people. I don't even hear about their spouses. I don't hear about the spouses of Kamala Harris. I don't hear about the spouses of Roberts. You don't hear about the spouses of those people because they are the spouses of Supreme Court justices. Oh my God. Wow. Clarence. I kind of look at Clarence now. He's like my brother from another mother. Give me a call. This is Ralph's Law, where justice reigns. Give me a call. Or have your people contact me. They can subscribe to the show, and let's figure some stuff out. I'm telling you, talk to me. We'll figure this stuff out. You're not handling some stuff. Talk to me. Hey, he's older, so I guess I wouldn't say. I don't know. Clarence Thomas. Do I? Okay, fine. Let me just say, he's a brother, right? Look at me as your stepbrother. All right. Get with me. Let's figure this stuff out. You are really seriously messing up on some stuff, and I can put you in the right direction. All right. And you can also talk to me about Yale. I know. Yale Law School, amazing place. So, Connecticut. So, let's get together and figure this stuff out. So, another reason why I actually went there is, the reason why I actually wanted to talk about it is Clarence Thomas, he had all these things that he talked about in the last Supreme Court ruling, the one that, the one with Roe v. Wade. And he's talking about all the stuff, all those cases that he thinks the Supreme Court should revisit. He didn't talk about Loving. Loving v. Virginia. And I was looking at that, I was like, wow. It was crazy. Of course, his wife's name is Virginia. Ginny Thomas that I was talking about. So it was kind of crazy. Virginia. But I mean, of course, Loving, that was just the case. And it was a case that was talking about, it was Loving, the biracial couple, well, a couple, and Virginia, but it didn't have anything to do with Virginia Thomas, and a lot of people don't want to go there, but I'm gonna go there. I'm telling, we are gonna go there. We are gonna go there today. This is Ralph's Law, where justice reigns. You heard this first from here. Yeah, we are gonna go there. And we're gonna unpack some of these uncomfortable, topics. These days, we are actually supposed to be so politically correct. We are not supposed to, like stress anybody out or hurt people's feelings. Guess what? Today, Clarence Thomas, sorry, not sorry. Yeah. His feelings may be a little bit hurt, but that's how it is. Loving v. Virginia, you did not go there. You had all these suggestions about the cases that you would want the Supreme Court to review, but you didn't touch Loving v. Virginia. What were you afraid of, Clarence? Talk to me. I mean, I actually like. I think that he's a cool person. I think he's cool. I think this is a guy that I can actually just like hang out with and break bread with, whatever. Why did you not go to Loving v. Virginia? I can say that I have biracial kids. So I understand what this guy is doing. So he's got all this stuff that's going on in his head. And he has all this stuff that he wants the Supreme Court to do. But Loving Virginia, oh my gosh, no. We're not going to touch it. Loving Virginia. Loving v. Virginia. Basically says, it's a Supreme Court ruling that basically just says, it just says that the laws that are banning interracial marriages violate the equal protection and due process clauses of the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. So Loving v. Virginia basically said, hey, no, because we used to have laws that were actually banning interracial people from, getting together and getting married. So Loving v. Virginia basically said, hey, those laws violate the equal protection and due process clause of the 14th Amendment. That's the law that made it possible that Clarence can be marrying the beautiful, amazing Ginny Thomas. You see what I'm saying? So this guy is trying to do all his legal, jiu-jitsu, but he didn't want to go to that case. He's trying to talk about the cases that the Supreme Court is going to review, but he didn't want to go to Loving v. Virginia. That's hypocritical. All right, so talk to me. Now, if he has some serious reasons why he wants the Supreme Court to review the other cases that he mentioned, I'm open to that. I'm open to that. But if it's just like randomly just choosing cases, but then avoids the one that affects him personally, that's not cool with me. So, Clarence, get with me. Let's figure this stuff out. Let me know. Get your people to get with me, and we'll figure. If you can articulate solid reasons why you want to review all those other cases, make that argument, and we can figure it out. All right. So it's all good. This is Ralph's Law. Over here, we keep things very. We keep things 100. All right. So, yeah. Ralph's Law, where justice reigns. Oh, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Leave us a comment. Smash the like button for us. Yeah, smash the like button for us. Get all the people that you know to subscribe, because it's. I mean, this is the show. We try to give you guys very good information here. Okay. And so that's part of it. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Sometimes when I talk about this stuff, when it comes to America and the founding principles, it can actually make you get mad a little. I mean, not get mad, but it makes you like, you think about these things and you're like, we the people. What's happening? Have people forgotten the founding principles upon which this country was founded? We the people. Power comes from us. We the people. We are the people. We are the children. We the people. We are the children. And that's what I'm trying to talk about. It's not like we deserve answers. We deserve accountability. Garland should do something. That's what I'm saying. We, the people, we deserve answers. We, the people, we are the children. Oh, that's the song. Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh, it's kind of like the words in the song. We are the world. We the people. We are the world. Oh yeah, no, it was the lyrics in the song, But the song, you guys know the song I'm talking about, right? We are the world. That's what I'm talking about. We are the world. We are the children. We are the world. Hold. I gotta figure this out. This was a song that was the best collaboration ever. I think it was actually written by Michael Jackson, Lionel Richie, and it had all kinds of people there, like just best musical collaboration ever. You had Cyndi Lauper. You had Kenny Rogers, you had Ray Charles, you had Stevie Wonder, you actually had Willie Nelson, recorded in 1985, and I think it was produced by Quincy Jones and some other person, But that's the song. We the people, we are the world. We need answers. We need action. Oh my God, this song just keeps playing in my head. Okay, stop. Hold on. Okay, I have to do this one right. I don't want to just mess it up. Hold on. I told you, the show, Ralph's Law. We do things very differently. We are the world. We are the children. We are the world to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. It's true, make a brighter day for you and me. I'm telling you, man. I mean, we the people, we are the world. We are the children. That's America. That's the future. All right. So, Garland, do something. Do something. We need answers. That's all I'm saying. Okay. Oh my God, this singing thing. I'm telling you. I'm gonna do my piano guitar lessons, and then actually try to improve my vocal cords. So we're gonna get to that. But you guys know what I'm talking about. We are the world. We the people. We the people. We need answers. Garland, do something. That's all I'm saying. All right. Smash the like button for us. This is Ralph's Law. We are Justice Reigns. Leave us a comment, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.